Changing your profile picture on Crunchyroll is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your avatar easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Profile Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Profile tab. Click on it to view your profile settings, where you can manage your profile details. Step 4. Upload a new profile picture. Find the option to change your profile picture. Click on the Change Picture button, then select the image file you want to upload from your device. Make sure it meets the required specifications for size and format. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new profile picture, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your new profile picture is updated. Now you're all set with a fresh new profile picture on Crunchyroll. Enjoy your viewing experience.